Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 9 Pie system for Chevrolet, Yukon, Tahoe, and GMC Yukon 27 to 2012 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Let me open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. Okay. You can check this is head unit. This special harness. Okay, let me introduce the harness at first. You can check this head unit. Full touch screen. Okay, you can check this is special harness for Chevrolet and GMC Yukon. Okay, let me check this special canvas box. And you can check this is 3 connector. Let me check one by one. Okay, and this one for speaker. And this one. Okay, you can check. This is connector, this GMC power cable. This connector connect our back head unit. Okay, you can check this antenna power 12 voltage. This is K2 for steering wheel control. And this connector with this cable, this video in and video out, video in and video out. This AUX left and right out. Okay, and this is from canvas. For AUX left and right out. Okay. This is special harness. It will come with remote controller. This small speaker. This small speaker connects to this cable. This connector connects this is small speaker. Okay. External microphone. This GPS antenna. Okay, this is radio. You can check. Radio antenna. Okay, this is camera input. Camera in. Okay, this is AUX input, left and right AUX input, and this is video input. This connector our back of head unit. Okay, this is audio cable connector. Our back of header unit. This connector. Okay, this is subwoofer and video out 1 and video out 2. This AUX out left and right, front and rear. Okay. Let me introduce the head unit. Okay, let me check. This is front panel, and this USB ports. This buttons. This reset hole. This GPS or this SD card microphone. This DVD slot. It supports AUX. This is AUX port. Okay. Okay, you can check the side. Okay. And this side. Okay, let me check the back. You can check it come with 2 USB cable and external microphone. You can check this in and this GPS, this power, this fuse, and these connectors. This radio antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna. Okay. You can check. Please take out these 2 screws before installing, because this 2 screws fix the DVD in the shapings. Okay. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Okay, you can check head unit will start. It will show power system, pi system. Okay. Please take out this screw protector before use. Okay, it started. You can adjust brightness in the task bar. You can check it's dark. Okay. You can set the date and time. You can choose date or update automatically by GPS. Okay. And this radio, you can search radio stations. very fast response, octa-core. Okay, back to home. Let me check the settings. I will upgrade this icon with the color. You can check network and the internet, its built-in Wi-Fi and support hotspot. Okay. About motion, you can check the MCU version and the CPU is octa-core. Memory size RAM 4GB. Model is PX5 Rocket chip octa-core. Android 9 Pie system. Okay, back. And you can change the language in system language. All languages are here. There are so many languages already built in. Okay. And let me show the storage. You can check total storage is 64 GB. Car settings, let me check the car settings. It's personal setting, it's autoplay music, you can turn on or turn off. It's for memories and AC delay with standby. When you set the 1 hour, when you come into car, start car, the headwind start just 1 second. LED, you can change red and blue. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, it's storage. You can storage your system if you have problem. When you click OK, all settings will be lost. Okay, and this sound you can off the touch sound. And the other settings you can check the display. Okay, that's all. You also can check it's built in the steering wheel control and the Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. It's built in Google Maps. The easy connection for mirror link. Okay, that's all. Thank you.